Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Topic of the day: friction and its two types. So first we define that what is friction. Friction is a number which have numerator and denominator is called friction. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 3, 5 by 4. These are the friction. Now we want to discuss these two types, proper friction and then improper friction. So what is proper friction? A friction in which numerator is less than the denominator is called proper friction. So the value of proper friction is less than 1. Now what is improper friction? A friction in which numerator is greater or equal to 1 is called improper friction. So the value of improper friction is greater or equal to 1. Now if we want to visualize these frictions, proper friction and improper friction, with the help of one example. For this, let's take one example, which is 3 divided by 4. So 3 divided by 4 we can write in the form of 3 times 1 by 4. So for this, first we want to divide these one in 4 equal pieces. For this, let's take one example, which is suppose that we have a cake. So this is a cake. If we want to divide these cake into 4 equal pieces, so each part of the cake is represented by 1 over 4, which is one part of the cake. 1 over 4, 1 over 4, and then 1 over 4. Now let's come to the example. So what does 3 into 1 over 4 means? 3 divided by 4 means that 3 times 1 by 4. How many times? 3 times 1 by 4. 1 time 1 over 4, 2 times 1 over 4, and then 3 times 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4. So we can write this in the form of 3 times 1 over 4, 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4, which is equal to 3 divided by 4. So 3 divided by 4, how we represent 3 divided by 4 in this region? So 1 time 1 over 4, 2 times 1 over 4, and then 3 times 1 over 4. So this shaded region, this shaded region represent 3 divided by 4. So 3 divided by 4 is less than 1, means that this is one whole cake, and this shaded region represent 3 divided by 4. So 3 divided by 4 is less than 1 whole. Now similarly, for improper friction, how we visualize this improper friction? For this, take another example, 4 divided by 3. So 4 divided by 3 is improper friction because the denominator of the improper friction is greater than the denominator. Therefore 4 divided by 3 is improper friction. For this, we have one example, which is also let's suppose one kick. So 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means that 4 times 1 by 3. So first we divide this kick into 3 equal pieces. So each portion is represented by 1 over 3, 1 over 3. Now, what does 4 times 1 over 3? So 4 times 1 over 3 means that 1 over 3 plus 1 times 1 over 3 plus 2 times 1 over 3 plus 3 times 1 over 3 plus 4 times 1 over 3. So this implies that 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, which is equal to 4 by 3. Means that 1 times 1 over 3, 2 times 1 over 3, 3 times 1 over 3, and 4 times 1 over 3. So this is one whole kick, and this is one part. So 4 divided by 3 equal to 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, 2 times 1 over 3 plus 3 times 1 over 3 plus 4 times 1 over 3. If we want to simplify, 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, taking LCM of these friction, so LCM is 3. Add 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, because nominator of these three friction is 3. Therefore, 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 3, and then 1 by 3. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3 divided by 3 plus 1 by 3. This implies that 3 cancel, 1 plus 1 by 3. So we can also write this in the form of 1 times 1 by 3. So this is mixed friction. Means that 4 by 3 means that this is one complete kick, means that one whole and one part. So the value of 4 by 3 is greater than these one whole and then one part. So therefore 4 by 3 is the improper friction. Things.